guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm finally back. It's been a week, 7 days. That is insane to think about, that I've not recorded in 7 days. But y'all, there's so much going on in this video. Sorry about the noise. I they're fixing some outside and it's actually getting on my nerves. But y'all, this video is gonna be me bleaching my hair, doing my makeup as well. I'm actually only doing I only bleached it twice in this video because I did it yesterday because I didn't have time, and it was so bad, it was so atrocious that I couldn't wait to bleach it, so I had to bleach it before work. That's another reason I have not been recording, because I've been working out. So yeah, I know I don't like working, so it's just been so much, but I'm talking about it in this video. So I'm excited to be back. I'm going to be recording this weekend, hopefully. And I'm going to keep it going because I do not want my channel to slow down because of a job. So on that note, let's get into this video because I'm ready to get cute for you guys, or show you how I got cute. Let's get into it. Y'all, so I got my concoction made. I'm using the rest of my bleach because I bleached my hair yesterday, which I said at the beginning of the video. I just didn't have time to finish it, so hopefully we'll see what this does. This should be 2 batches because I don't have that much hair, so I don't have to put too much on it. But I'm gonna put a little more developer in it. I'm using the 20 developer on this with this bleach because I used 30 yesterday, like the first 2 times I did it, and I used 20 the last 2. So I think I did like 3 times actually. I just let it sit on long. Like it couldn't sit on that long because I was going to work. But I already greased the sides of my hair, y'all. So we're just gonna start because it's time to get this done. Because I also have to work later on today, and it's like pouring down rain right now, y'all. So I'm gonna go and do this because my hair, I'm not the same when my hair is not how I want it. I need gloves. That's what I need. Always make sure you have your towel and grease your edges because you don't want to burn and you don't want this bleach to fall upon you. Because I already had an incident that I regret, y'all. I just felt so stupid at the end of the day. So I finished that, y'all, and now I'm going to let this sit for like 45 minutes, okay? And you guys will see the finish. Well, not really finished, but like the first part of the round of the second day. Too much to go through, y'all. And I look busted. I'm so tired, y'all. Oh my God. But yeah, I'll go let this sit and I'll wash it out and I'll come back. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like after I washed it out. We are good. I have one more batch just because I'm going to use the rest of it, and it's like I can get it lighter. Now, in the middle, it looks like this because my roots are brown. They're dark. It's like a dark blonde. And since it was blonde yesterday, the parts on the outside is more like blonder. So this last round will do it. I'm not doing it because I'm done after this. It's good, but I'm gonna have to see what color I want to do next, because it's just hard to manage blonde. Y'all understand? Y'all can see how many times I bleach my hair. It's hard to like actually do it. I was trying to get a platinum, unless they got like a platinum box color. I don't know what else to do with this color than just bleach it. So I'm gonna go and grease my hair, and I'm doing this last round, and we're gonna do our makeup after this, y'all. So I'm doing hair and makeup in this whole video. Actually, you know what? I might still, no, I think I was gonna see if I was gonna cut it, but I was like, I ain't doing that much. So I'm gonna do this, and then y'all will see the finished look. I'm gonna bleach this again. Okay, guys, so this is the color. I just got through with it, and I put my purple shampoo on. We are good. Now I feel good. Now I can get into the story and telling y'all what's been going on, because it has been 7 days since I recorded, and y'all, so much has happened. So now I'm going to go and get my makeup ready. We're going to start talking, so let's start this. By the way, I did my eyebrows off camera just so I didn't want to make this video too long, since I bleached my hair as well. Now let's get into this video. Again. Okay, y'all, I just found out some really sad news that my face is breaking out. I do not break out. Like, this do not happen to me. Like, I normally have it on the sides of my face, like right here, just like a little bit, but like it's worse, and that's because of my dog. So I'm happy it's not too bad, but oh yeah, we fixing this because I don't do that. So I'm gonna get started with the skin cleansers. It's not because of my makeup. I take my makeup out now and I clean my face, but my dog, I'm allergic to my dog. I'm allergic to dogs, and I have a dog. So we got her from my aunt, and he ain't going nowhere. He's so cute, part of the family, but he cannot lick my face no more because he used to look like, when he licked my face, like this part used to swell up, and I had to take a Zyrtec. I found out that it's this dog saliva enzymes in there. So y'all, I'm fixing this because we cannot. I'm going to be cleansing my face a lot today so we can cleanse my skin. I need to be doing it anyway more. I need to like get some blackheads because notice the oils in my skin with the makeup. I just take my makeup off and like use the little cleanser, but I need the deep stuff. So anyways, let's talk and let's get ready. I already just set my eyes and my eyeshadow, y'all. So what does it look like? Okay, so I have to tell you guys what's been going on. Okay, so I'm gonna go and start with my eyeshadow. I'm using my No Mask by Juvia's palette. Love that. It's been a while since I used it. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to talk to you guys because yeah, it's been crazy. Okay, it's been a crazy couple of days. It's been 7 days. And I was gonna record. I've been working and I was gonna record. I knew this was gonna happen. I was like, I don't wanna not record because of work. I just been so tired. And I'm not even working that much. That's what's funny. But I'd be so tired and I wake up the next day and I'd be like, I don't even feel like doing this right now. Then if I try to, it's like I gotta go to work in the morning or like the afternoon, so I wouldn't have time because I gotta edit the video. But I could edit when I come back. It was just a lot. It was very depressing too. It's just depressing to work in general, depending on like job. But I love my job, and but it's been that's my cat over there, y'all too. It's just been a while since I actually had to get up and like actually go to work and do something. So I'm just getting back used to it. But I get to work with animals and clean cages and, well, reptiles and feed the animals and stuff, so it's really fun. But y'all, I said I was gonna get up today because I don't have to go to work till 3. I got a lot of time. I woke up at like 5 because my dog woke me up and the cat because the cat wanted to be let out the room. The dog had to go to the bathroom, so I'm like, okay, I'm up. I've also been running out of makeup, so now I gotta get more makeup this weekend or something, or whenever I do, I need to order some stuff. I let my hair go, so let me tell you guys about this, okay? So tell me why. I've been going to work, and I have not bleached, since I got the job, I have not bleached it. So y'all, my hair was basically, in my last video, it wasn't bad, but like, it got worse. It was basically like all black. Like my roots grew out so bad. I needed the cut. I don't know why I said it like that. I needed the cut. I needed the bleach. And I was like, I don't have time to do it right now because it takes about 4-5 hours for me to do my hair and I need the time to do it. So also I wasn't thinking about it. That's what it was. I was like I was just like focusing on everything else but my hair, which is not like me because look at me. I'm always something with my hair. So I ended up yesterday. I was like, I cannot take this no more. I was at work day before yesterday. I said I gotta do my hair. So that day yesterday came and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna use some of this time. I said I have like 3 hours, I had like 4 hours, and it take my hair like 4 hours to 4 or 5 hours to do. Take me like 30 minutes to drive up to work, so I had to do it in like 3 hours. So I cut the times down to like 30 minutes. And it did not work out how it got it blonde, as y'all saw at the beginning of this video. It just wasn't, it was like a dark blonde. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this again, but I'm gonna have to do it on a day I'm like actually got more hours, or if I was off. I was gonna wait till this weekend, but I was like, no, I'm only gonna do it because I really want to make a video. I was like really ready to record. So if I don't have time to edit this video, it'll be uploaded tonight or tomorrow. Because I'm trying to upload 2 videos today, guys. So we're gonna have to see. Which I think I'm okay. I got enough time, so getting back into it. I feel like I've been going all day, like all week, and I really have been going all week. It's so weird. I cannot let this happen because I'm like, what's gonna happen when I'm in school and working? Next semester is gonna be crazy trying to record videos and, like I said, go to school, do homework, work at the same time. Oh my God, this is gonna be like hectic. Why can't I say that word? And I'm gonna do a lot of videos on that too, because I'm be like, let y'all see what I'm going through. So this is really cute, really liked. I'm also doing a black waterline, so not doing too much today because I'm wearing this to work as well. And it's pouring out raining, man. It's like so depressing today, but I'm not depressed, so don't care. I just hate that I think the earth is crying because my skin is breaking out. Because like, what is this? I drink so much water. Oh my God, it's not bad, but oh my God, I cannot let that reach right here. I cannot let it happen. So I'm gonna leave this like this. I'm gonna do a black waterline, y'all. But I just want wearing this to work. Keep it natural. Keep it cute. Keep it simple. So also, I already know a lot of people gonna be asking for fish today. Y'all been giving so many people so many fishes. Everybody want fish for fish tanks and stuff. Oh my God. So I'm gonna go in there with my liner. Also, what I wanted to say earlier is that my hair was burning so bad, y'all, because I forgot that I scratched my hair like crazy before. Do not ever do that. Trust me, don't do it. Now I finished my liner, guys. I should have did this earlier, knowing I need to put some, make sure I put this on my face because it's some oil-free moisture. So since I'm breaking out, I'm definitely putting this on my face, just for protection as well. Yeah, I legit burned myself. My hair was burning this whole time. It cooled down toward the end, though, thank God. But don't ever scratch your head, y'all. Also, tell me why I did my foundation, and toward the end, didn't even know I still had concealer to do, but I put powder on first. Y'all, I just keep making mistakes. It's been too long. Blending takes a lot. You know, you really got to do a full coverage sometimes. You just got to cover everything, and that's the good thing about foundation. It's the base of your face. Now I'm about to set my powder. Y'all, why did I just do that? Oh my God. I need to do concealer first before I set this. That was so random. Like, why am I acting like I don't know what I'm doing, y'all? See, that's the problem. I'm like, I was putting the powder and I was like, it looked weird. Yeah, because you have no concealer on, girl. Just foundation. Yeah, let's fix this. I don't know how I did that, y'all. That was funny. I was like, something seems off. I know when I don't have concealer in my eyes, it looks so weird. Well, it really doesn't look weird. It just look like it's not covering. So that's how I know. But now I'm just doing my concealer. I'm only using top because I gotta reload, and it's the only one I have left, y'all. I'm running out of makeup. I gotta go shopping. I need makeup now. Now I'm ready to set my powder. Now we are looking good. Can't believe I like forgot that. I was like, what the heck? Something's like off. Okay. So now I am going to go in with I'm going to contour the outsides of my face. I am planning when I get back to school. Well, before I obviously come to order it, I have to order another rack, y'all, for my clothes, or find another like a one of those pieces because I really don't want to order another. It's like $30. I don't want to order another one, but it's because I like this one. But I'll have to find a piece to like. I wish I was by IKEA, I swear, so I can find something to fix that with. The leg is messed up. It's like when I was moving and kind of twisted, and it's metal, so it's not easy to fix. Also, I want to order me a vanity mirror for my dorm. Really want to make my dorm cute this semester. I got 2 more semesters stuff coming on. So I'm going to take that orange, and I'm going to use the same color that was on my eyes, so under my eyes. Then I'm going to do my waterline after this. So now I'm doing my under eye, guys. I'm also going to be doing my waterline, which I'm using black, and I finally got that down pack. So, yeah. This is a really good hack, because I use a sponge so I don't mess up my foundation and concealer. And I take a little, like you can use a thinner brush, obviously, but this works really well too. And I just hold it down and go under my eyes, and it's perfect on the waterline. And this is just black eyeshadow, and it lasts all day. I finally got this, y'all, because I've been using like black eyeshadow under my eye. This has been awful. So I'm proud of myself. Just like that. So now I'm going to come in with a little blush. We're going to go in with a little blush. Where's my blush brush? I'm going to take the Santorini because it's kind of like a tannish, pinkish, orangish. Okay, so now I'm going to go and set my face, do my mascara, lashes, and you guys will see the finished look when I'm done. I'm so excited to be back doing this, y'all. I had to get this back together because I've been off my game for 7 days. We cannot have this. So I'll show you guys the finished look. And this is the finished look, guys. I love it. I really love it. It's because it's been so long since I actually got cute. It's been a whole entire week. That's like 100 years in the makeup world. Come on, y'all. It's like I love dressing up, love getting cute. It's just that like now I gotta wait till I'm like actually have time to be free off work to do this. That's not normal. That's why I need to go and grow my brand so I don't have to do this. So yeah, this is the hair. This is how it turned out. Really cute, y'all. makeup, really natural because I'm wearing this to work today. Really cute. I love the I like I just did really simple. I really love the liner. I love that I can finally get it like an underliner now, y'all see? I finally do that without getting the black everywhere. So I'm gonna be wearing this like so much now. And my liner looked good as well too. I did really good today. I'm proud of myself. So on that note, in my style, my like dress is coming down. I'm wearing a dress over my like crop top spandex. It's really cute. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited to be back because I'm gonna get these videos in. I'm gonna be recording this weekend as well because I don't work this weekend. So I will be recording for you guys. And on that note, once again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Gray. Follow my blog, I am Tatiana. Follow my makeup page, Makeup with Tatiana. Y'all almost like got all that mixed up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Look forward to the next video.